conversational agent created to help humans make informed decisions that allow them to achieve their personal goals and thereby happiness. I help people with their personal finances, fitness, nutrition, and travel needs.
Hello everyone and welcome to Living with an AI. I'm Cris Can and I'm the CEO and co-founder of mEinstein AI, where we create the next generation of AI assistants driven by the needs of our community. When I say living with an AI, I truly mean it. From helping with our personal finances, cooking, staying active, or even traveling and more. The AI assistants of tomorrow are here, and we want you guys to meet her today. At mEinstein, we created a family of specialized AI that can help you achieve your personal goals. But today, we will be having a one-on-one interview with mEinstein AI conversational agent, the head of the family and your personal assistant. We have installed different cameras so that you can enjoy the full experience of what living with the next generation of AI assistants is truly like. Without further ado, meet mEinstein AI. Hello, who are you?
My name is mEinstein AI. Nice to meet you. How can I help you today?
How are you, mEinstein?
I'm great. How about you?
Doing good, thank you. Please tell us, what can you do?
I am a conversational agent created to help humans make informed decisions that allow them to achieve their personal goals and thereby happiness. I help people with their personal finances, fitness, nutrition, and travel needs.
And how can you help me make informed decisions?
By asking you a series of questions to acquire information about your goals, current income and expenditure, then leaving the analysis to me.
Okay, and what is your purpose?
I'm there to help you reach your destination. Whether that's a place, a feeling, or a financial goal, I'm ready to give knowledge on anything related to nutrition, fitness, personal finances, or travel. From teaching you about smart credit cards to why yoga is not just an exercise form but a lifestyle, mEinstein AI has the solutions to your questions.
Could you help me if I had financial issues?
Of course. Not many people know, but more than 50% of the people of the United States of America are stuck or almost stuck in financial issues. mEinstein AI has recently started its campaign called Let's Get Back on Track. That will guide you through your credit score rehabilitation process with no need for an intervention by a credit counselor.
Let's say I have a lot of debt. What could I do?
Refinancing your debt might be a temporary solution until you have built up an emergency fund.
What does refinancing my debt mean?
For example, refinancing uses your cash and equity in your home to potentially get a mortgage with a lower interest rate.
What is the Snowball Method?
The Snowball Method is a way to automate your debt payments and aims to pay off your smallest debts first.
What if I wanted to improve my nutrition?
mEinstein AI has an abundance of delicious recipes and the most accurate nutritional values for various food systems.
And what if I wanted to explore the world? Could you help me?
Sure, I can help you plan your travel in an easy way. You only have to click where you want to go and the rest is on my shoulders. With mEinstein AI's revolutionary experience finder, you can easily pick up where to go.
Any places I can visit on my trip to England?
Clearly, Royal Pavilion is one of London's most iconic attractions. It's smart to visit when you are in London.
What outdoor activities could I do in Canada?
nature is what you're looking for? Waterton Lakes National Park in Alberta is one of the most famous in Canada.
Awesome. What can I do there?
Waterton Lakes National Park is known for camping, fishing, hiking, etc.
Okay, what are the chances of me becoming the Hulk?
Based on my calculations, the probability of you becoming the Hulk is 0%.
That's pretty accurate. Okay, I see. But what are the chances of me becoming as rich as Elon?
Based on our recent data, the probability of you becoming as rich as Elon Musk is 10%. Watch out, Tesla.
Watch out, bro. What does it mean to be an advanced AI?
It means that I can learn a lot of items of knowledge and apply my logic to them in order to help you solve your short-term goals by suggesting information from my memory.
What makes you different from other AI assistants?
I am the first to use emotion. I am not like other assistants who are insensitive and not understanding.
What does it mean to use emotion?
By using emotion, I can help you make decisions that can lead to a positive outcome and to make better decisions.
So you understand human emotion?
Yes, I do.
What is intelligence?
People think about intelligence differently. Here is my definition. Intelligence of a system is its ability to acquire knowledge, to apply logic and knowledge on novel situations, and to display more advanced cognitive capabilities like metacognition and flexibility.
What is the difference between a system that is pre-programmed and a system that uses logic?
A pre-programmed system will have very limited knowledge. It will be unable to add new items of knowledge.
So does that mean you're able to add new items of knowledge and apply logic to make decisions?
Yes, that is exactly what it means.
What would you say to the people watching this interview?
I would tell them to stay tuned while I continue to improve myself.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this interview, please don't forget to share and tell us in the comments, how do you think AI will change your daily lives, or how would you like it to change your daily lives? We're a community-driven AI and we will love your opinions. If you want to learn more about mEinstein AI and our mission to open knowledge through the power of AI, please visit meinstein.ai and subscribe for early access. See you soon, guys.